You are very welcome to Cody's Production. Today I will be teaching you on how you can recharge on Pepco99 site. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell for more updates. If you have any questions about the site, just drop it under the comment section. I will reply to you, because I'm here for you. Okay, so today I will be teaching you on how to recharge on this platform to become a member. As I said in my previous video, you need to recharge 100 Ganesitas to become a VIP 1 member. Without wasting much time, let's see on how you can become a VIP 1 member. So when you recharge 100 Ganesitas as a VIP 1 member, you will get 6 Ganesitas every day. Okay, so you open the site and you log in. Then you tap on My. You will see recharge record. Then you choose the first option. Okay, so let's see how you will do it on the screen. Okay, now we have seen how you can recharge on this site. So use the link in the description to register now to earn some money on this site. But please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell for more updates. If you find this video helpful, let me hear you in the comment section. There is a new update on how to use just 1 Ganesity to get 1 GB data. So make sure that you subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more updates. Thank you.